Hi, Ashraf. My name's Corey. Carissa told me to send the screencast to you. Real quick, I'm just going to give you three quick tips on how to actually drive more traffic to your website, which is going to actually result in more quality work for you as well. Anyway, I'm just going to run through your website real quick. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Kind of going over your website there, I would definitely bring this up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer keywords, what you're actually trying to be found for as well. Even these images, what they're all saved as, it all matters as too. This is all content. Google sees all that. You can actually put content or buyer's intent keywords back there. That'll just make a difference with your rankings. So that's your first tip. Make sure you get your content up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words. Change out those content behind the images as well. And so if I go inside of Google here and type in heating repair Fort Lauderdale, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees right here at the very top. These are actually brand new. They came up with these to actually replace the old school ads. A lot of business owners have actually been going away from these ads just because of all those spammy phone calls. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of those calls, those spam calls. I mean, these do get really pricey as well. These ads get anywhere from 30, I've seen up to about $140 a click. So they do get pretty pricey at the end of the day, especially when people are tapping on it and not buying your services as well. Anyway, underneath the ads, we have this little map section. Really, to get the rankings in this section is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map section, this is the first page of Google. This is getting your website on that first page to draw on that traffic. And really, to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with all that content, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you got to be found for those keywords and what you're trying to be found for. Also, what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I just take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that actually just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a website. So right now you've got 111 referring domains, which is pushing back 666 backlinks. Looks like you started this thing back in 2014 and kind of really had a big backlinking journey and kind of gradually kind of increased from there. So in all return, you're getting about 9 clicks to your website, coming from 185 keywords. And these keywords, this is how you're actually being found. You have your name for a lot of this. You got AC service, Fort Lauderdale. There's a good keyword. Your 16th position, so you're missing all the traffic there. Air conditioning repair, Fort Lauderdale FL, another 80 clicks. You're missing the traffic because you're 34th position. This tells you the position, also the amount of traffic, and also the amount of traffic per keyword as well. So AC Fort Lauderdale, 20 clicks. You're missing the traffic on that one. Fort Lauderdale AC repair, 40 clicks. You're missing all the traffic. You're 49th position. Here's a big one right here. Fort Lauderdale air conditioning. There's 200 clicks every single month, and you're 59th position. You're missing all the traffic. So let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Lindstrom Air Conditioning and Plumbing. If I stick them inside of Ahrefs, kind of showing you what they're ranking for. Their position here, they got a lot of second and thirds, getting a decent amount of traffic, but kind of going through these keywords. HVAC, we don't want that one. AC repair, Fort Lauderdale, there's 150 clicks. Fort Lauderdale air conditioning, 200 clicks. Air conditioning repair, Fort Lauderdale, another 100 clicks. So really, content and backlinks will drive these keywords on that first page of Google and make that work a lot more quality for you. Anyway, if you see any tricks or I think I might have a few tricks up my sleeve. Feel free to reach out. I'd love to put a custom game plan together for you, or give me a review on how I did on this video, or at least apply these tips for yourself. Thanks so much. Bye.